Greetings and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have Oppo A6X 5G smartphone, and in this video I'm gonna show you some amazing tips and tricks and hidden features of this smartphone. So if you're planning to purchase this phone or you have already bought this, then this video can be really helpful for you. So watch till the end and enjoy this video. Open your camera application, click on these three lines, select settings, scroll down and then enable this quick launch. Click on settings, wait for a few seconds. Click on camera and then enable this. Now close this, again open your camera application and open the same settings and again enable this. Now whenever your phone is locked, if you will double press any volume button, that will quickly launch your camera application from your locked screen. You can simply double press any volume button, that will launch your camera application. If you are on your home screen and you are using your phone with a single hand, then it feels really uncomfortable to reach at the top to open your control center and this notification bar. But there is a gesture for this. Tap and hold on your home screen, select more, scroll down and then select swipe down on home screen. From here select notification and quick settings. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can simply swipe down from the blank area, that will open your control center as well as your notification bar. You can use two applications at the same time in a single screen with the help of a simple gesture. Open the first application and then swipe up by using three fingers like this. Now select the second application you want to use. As you can see, you will be able to use two applications at the same time in a single screen with the help of this split screen feature. Again, if you are using your phone with a single hand and you are on your home screen, then it feels really uncomfortable to reach at the corner and open these applications. But there is a gesture for this as well. Tap and hold on your home screen, select more, select icon pull down gesture and then enable this. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can swipe up like this from either side of the screen, then it will bring all your application around your thumb. Simply select the app you want to open, then it will open that app for you. There is a handy feature to turn on your flashlight by shaking your phone. To enable this, open your settings, select accessibility and convenience, select gesture and motions, select shake to launch. From here you can also select your camera application, but I will suggest you to use this turn torch on or off. Now whenever you are on home screen or you are on lock screen, you can simply shake your phone like this, then it will turn on your flashlight. If you don't like this new control panel, where you will get your control panel on the right side and your notification bar on your left side, then you can set the older one where you will get these two together. To enable this, open your control panel, click on these three dots, select customize quick settings and then select classic. Now it will enable the older one where you will get your notifications and your control center together. You can enable double tap to lock and double tap to wake your screen of features. You don't have to press your power button to lock your smartphone. Simply tap and hold on your home screen, select more, select double tap to lock, scroll down and also enable this double tap to turn screen on or off. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can simply double tap on the blank area, then it will lock your smartphone, and if you will double tap on your locked screen, that will wake your screen up. If you will long press the power button, then it will launch Google Gemini instead of opening your power menu. If you want to set it as your power menu, then open your settings, select accessibility and convenience, select power button and then select press and hold the power button. From here select power menu. Now if you will long press the power button, then it will launch your power menu. But if you want to keep this as your digital assistant, now if you want to launch your power menu, then you can press the volume up button and power button at the same time, then it will launch your power menu. You can also monitor your real-time internet speed and you don't have to download any third-party app for that. Open your settings, select notification and quick settings, select status bar and then enable this real-time network speed, then it will start showing your internet speed in the status bar. From here you can also change the battery percentage style, because sometimes it's impossible to see the percentage with this battery percentage style. Simply select battery style and from here you can change your battery percentage style. If you like to multitask, then you can use the smart sidebar feature. By default that is disabled. To enable that, open your settings, select accessibility and convenience, select smart sidebar and then enable it from here. You will start seeing a transparent bar on the right side of your screen. Simply swipe to the left to open this smart sidebar. By default it has some tools and applications. You can temporarily save your files in the file dock. You can take a screenshot and screen record from here. If you want to edit this, then click on edit. You can remove unnecessary application from here and add your favorite or most usable application. After this, click on done, and if you will open any application from here, it will open it in floating window just like your desktop and your laptop. You can resize it from the corner, you can drag and drop it, you can even minimize it. Keep on using your smartphone, and whenever you need that again, simply tap on that. So if you like to multitask, then you can definitely use this smart sidebar feature. You can open any application in floating window. To do that, open that app, put it in recent apps, click on three dots and then select floating window. Now you can use it like floating window. Let's talk about some of the gestures that comes with this smartphone. Open your settings, select accessibility and convenience, select gestures and motions. The first one is turn torch on or off with volume button. Enable this. Now whenever your phone is locked, if you long press your volume down button, that will turn on the flashlight. And if you will long press it again, that will turn it off. The next one is raise to wake. Enable this, and now whenever your phone is on the table and you will pick it up, then it will wake your screen up. In the same gestures and motions, you will see screen of gestures. Click on this. From here you can access your camera, torch and specific apps from your locked screen by drawing these symbols and alphabets. The first one is draw an O to open camera. Enable this. Now whenever your phone is locked, simply draw an O, that will directly launch your camera application. The next one is draw a V to turn torch on or off. Enable this. Now whenever your phone is locked, simply draw an V, that will turn on your flashlight. You can also control your music player from here. Enable this, and now to play the previous and next song, you can use these symbols, and to play or pause your music, then you can use these two lines. Now to open any specific apps from your locked screen, you can customize these alphabets and symbol. For example, I'm selecting draw M. Click on this, select open an app, select your favorite application, and whenever your phone is locked, if you will draw M, then it will directly launch that specific application. You can also customize your fonts, apps, etc. To do that, open your settings, select wallpaper and style. From here you can change your font style. Here you have different options. You can also increase or decrease the size of the fonts from here. So if you're giving this phone to any elderly person, then you can definitely use this feature. You can also change the icon style. Here you have different styles. To change the shape, select custom, and from here you can change the shape. You can also increase or decrease the size of the apps. After that, simply click on apply. You can also customize app, and to change the UI color, simply select colors. Here you have color palettes. You can also select any specific color from here, then click on OK. That will change the UI color of your smartphone. If you're using 3-button navigation and you want to change the order of these, or if you want to set gesture navigation, then open your settings, scroll down to the bottom and then select system and update. Select system navigation. From here you can change the order, and to select gestures, simply select gestures, click on cancel. Now you can go back like this, open your recent apps like this, and jump to your home screen like this. You can also increase the lifespan of your phone's battery with the help of next feature. Open your settings, select battery, select battery health, and then enable this smart charging. It will charge your phone up to 80% with normal speed and then take a little bit extra time to charge your phone fully. So with the help of that feature, you can increase the life of your phone's battery. If you use your phone at night a lot, then the next two features are especially for you. Open your settings, select display and brightness. The first one is dark mode. If you enable this, then it will turn all the white color into black color. This will decrease the pressure on your eyes. And the second one is eye comfort. Click on this and then enable this. It will warm the color of your screen, as you can see. You can also increase or decrease the intensity. This will also decrease the pressure on your eyes. If you're not a fan of this app drawer and you want all your application on your home screen, then tap and hold on your home screen, select more, select home screen, and from here select standard. Click on apply, click on switch, wait for a few seconds, and then it will bring all your application on your home screen and disable your app drawer. You can also change the transition effect on your home screen. Again, tap and hold on your home screen, select transition, and from here you can change the transition. Select your favorite one and then click on apply. You can hide your application, lock your application, open your settings, select security and privacy. Scroll down. From here you can lock your apps, hide your apps, and hide your photos and videos. I have made a separate video on this. Simply comment down and then I will send you the link. So these were some amazing tips and tricks and hidden feature for Oppo A6X 5G smartphone. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and let us know in the comment section which feature you like the most. We will see you in the next one. Till then, have fun and keep on exploring your smartphone.